Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today in this video, we're going to see ultimate Islam keywords to boost your YouTube channel. Are you looking to boost your YouTube channel with engaging content related to Islam? Look no further. In this video, we'll share with you the ultimate Islam keywords that will help you reach a wider audience and grow your channel in 2024. First up, we have Quran. This holy book is a foundation of Islam, and discussing its teaching and interpretations will attract viewers interested in learning more about the faith. Next, Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, peace be upon him. Sharing stories and teachings of the Prophet will engage viewers and provide valuable insights into the principles of Islam. Ramadan is another essential keyword to include in your content. This month of fasting and reflection is significant aspects of Islam and will draw in viewers seeking to understand its importance. Do not forget to include hijab in your videos. This symbol of modesty and faith is a topic of interest for many, and discussing its significance will attract a diverse audience. Lastly, Islamic art is a captivating keyword to explore. From calligraphy to architecture, showcasing the beauty of Islamic art will captivate viewers and showcase the rich cultural heritage of Islam. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel.